Owaki. And the rough market value draws for your lead tip in the night, moving up by the rail. Then comes Mr. Integrity, Owaki, Lakay, and Bohemian Dave as they leave the straight. Tip in the night takes the lead over market value in second. Owaki is racing in third, down in fourth, Mr. Integrity, Lakay, Bohemian Dave in that order as they pass the 3/4 mile pole. And as they move towards the back with Tip in the night, followed by market value, Owaki trying to get closer in third. Down in four is entry number 3, Bohemian Dave, Lakay, and Mr. Integrity. About to pass the last 800. Tip in the night, this time by about a length and a half. Market value remains in second. Owaki now getting closer in third. Bohemian Dave remains in fourth. Lakay in fifth, and Mr. Integrity as the action turns to the last 450. Tip in the night, market value throwing a challenge on the outside. Joining them is Owaki as they swing for home. Tip in the night, market value in between runners, Owaki. We have Tip in the night, market value, Owaki is on the outside. Now we have Tip in the night, market value, Owaki moving up on the outside. Market value, Owaki takes the lead from the outside. And finally, Owaki, Lakay. Then comes number 6, market value, Tip in the night, Bohemian Dave, and Mr. Integrity.